Have you ever laid in bed feeling exhausted but unable to fall asleep? If you're over 60, you're not imagining things. Sleep really does change as you age. In this video, we're going to explore 5 real reasons why falling and staying asleep becomes harder the older you get, and what you can do about it. Stick around to the end. The last one is rarely talked about but might be the biggest key to better rest.
1. Lower melatonin production.
As we age, our bodies naturally produce less melatonin, the hormone that helps us fall asleep and stay asleep. That's why even if your body feels tired, your brain stays alert way past bedtime. You might notice yourself waking up earlier than you used to, or struggling to drift off even though it's dark and quiet. But the good news is this: you can boost melatonin naturally. Try dimming the lights in the evening, avoiding screens before bed, and creating a relaxing wind-down routine. Small changes like these can help your brain remember when it's time to sleep, even if your hormones have shifted.
2. Nighttime urination. Nocturia.
Waking up multiple times to use the bathroom?
You're not alone.
As we age, our bodies produce less vasopressin, a hormone that reduces urine production at night. The result: a full bladder waking you up again and again.
It's not just annoying, it breaks your deep sleep cycle, leaving you groggy in the morning.
Limiting fluids before bed helps, but this could also be linked to medications, diabetes, or even heart conditions. Talk to your doctor if it's persistent. The fix might be simpler than you think. 3. Chronic pain and discomfort. For many older adults, sleep isn't lost because of stress, it's lost because of discomfort. A sore back, achy joints, or old injuries can make it hard to stay in one position for long. And pain, even when it feels manageable during the day, can intensify at night when your body is still. A new pillow, a firmer mattress, or a warm compress before bed might help more than you realize. Your sleep setup might need to evolve as your body does. 4. Disrupted routines after retirement. Without a fixed schedule, your body's internal clock gets confused. Sleeping in, late-night TV, or long naps may feel harmless, but they train your brain to forget when it's bedtime. Sleep needs structure, even in retirement. Going to bed and waking up at consistent times, getting natural light in the morning, and limiting naps can help reset your rhythm. It's not about losing freedom. It's about helping your body recognize when it's time to rest. 5. Anxiety and overthinking at night. When life slows down, the mind often speeds up. Concerns about health, money, loved ones, they all show up when the world goes quiet. That's why many older adults find themselves wide awake at 3 a.m. with a racing mind.
1 solution? Try a weary journal before bed. Write down every thought. Offload your mind.
Stretching, prayer, meditation, or simply talking to someone regularly can also calm those mental storms. You don't have to carry it all alone. Sleep doesn't have to be a nightly battle. Understanding why it's changed gives you the power to take it back. Try one thing this week. Dim the lights, cut the caffeine, talk to someone, or just commit to a regular sleep schedule.
You don't need perfect sleep. Use better sleep.
And better sleep means better mornings, more energy, and more joy in your day. Let us know in the comments which reasons spoke to you the most, and what small change you're willing to try this week. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future videos that support your well-being and peace of mind. Thanks for watching.